Namaskar, hope you all are keeping well. I am Dr. Naresh Perambuduri, Senior Ayurvedic Physician at Ananda in the Himalayas. Carrying forward the tradition of research and innovation in the field of holistic healing, the wellness team at Ananda has launched a new therapeutic program to address post-COVID recovery and health issues concerned to long COVID after extensive research by our wellness team. So what is long COVID? Let us understand long COVID first. As we know, there is a large number of population as affected by COVID-19 infection with varying degrees of severity, and most of them have recovered from it. However, some people have affected with persisting symptoms for several weeks to several months after recovering from COVID-19 infection is termed as long COVID. People are exhibiting various kinds of symptoms ranging from profound fatigue to heart-related or circulatory-related issues like thickening of blood, etc. Some of the symptoms of long COVID are giddiness, general debility, lack of perception to taste or smell, muscular pain, multiple joint pain, respiratory issues like breathlessness, exertional dyspnea, sleep-related issues, concentration-related issues, and focus-related issues, etc. Hence, it is important to address these symptoms in the earlier stage to bring back the physiology into the system and to facilitate optimal functioning of the cell. According to Ayurveda, due to viral infection, there is a massive imbalance of dosha and dhatus, that is, functional and structural entities of the body. And that leads to Agnimandya, that is, there is a disruption in the digestion and assimilation process, leads to the depletion of the dhatus, that is, tissues, and in turn leads to lower immunity levels. Hence, Ayurveda recommends Agnidipana, Dhatu Poshana, and enhancing the Ojo Bala. Based on this principle, our post-COVID rejuvenation program is divided into 3 phases. The first phase is focused on enhancing the Agni Bala, that is, enhancing the digestion and assimilation process, and balancing the doshas, that is, functional entities or doshas of the body. And second phase is focused on balancing the dhatus as well as enhancing the Dhatu Bala or nourishing the Dhatu Bala with the help of Panchakarma modalities like Snehavasti, that is medicated oil enema, Nasyam with nasal therapies or Virechana or laxative therapies, and yogic cleansing techniques like Jalneti and Kunjal Kriya. So in the third phase, the focus of third phase is enhancing the Ojo Bala, that is immunity levels of the person, to prevent the recurrence of the any infection or inflammation. Our post-COVID rejuvenation program starts with a comprehensive psychosomatic assessment by our Ayurvedic physicians to identify and manage specific symptoms. Then a multi-modal treatment plan is framed to manage the particular dysfunction, which includes Ayurveda and holistic therapies and well-curated meal plans, yoga and pranayama to address respiratory related issues, meditation and emotional healing techniques to address mental well-being or psychological well-being. We recommend to gain the optimal rejuvenation. It is to be done for 21 nights. For further details, you can contact us at wellbeing@anandaspa.com. Stay well, stay safe. Namaskar.